Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable one-handed mode in your Realme devices. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's open the settings app, and here you have to swipe down. You can see on the search button app, you can search it over here, or swipe down. You can see additional settings, and then you have to swipe down. You can see there's one-handed mode. Click on it and you have to enable this. First, gestures. If you do not know how gestures work, you can watch my previous video, and this is you can do. You can see one-handed mode is started. I show you first. Just pack this. When you just swipe down like this, it opens the one-handed mode. This is how you can enable it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.